The principal obstacle comes by the name of Filippo Inzaghi. The AC Milan coach was at his poaching best to set the Rossoneri on their way to 3 points in May 2008, the most recent of Mancini's derby memories. Then the Rossoneri coach was Carlo Ancelotti, and Inzaghi was not only following instructions on the pitch, he was also taking note of how to manage the dressing room for a role he foresaw in a not-so-distant future. And after working under Ancelotti in the English Premier League, Michael Essien has the inside knowledge on both men.
Carlo is one of the biggest managers, and he's very calm, and he allows the players to, to go out and, free their minds and enjoy the game. And that's exactly what I've seen what people is doing with us. He talks, but not that much, and he kind of allowed the players to play their game.
On his way to Champions League triumph with Chelsea in 2012, the 31-year-old played his part in overcoming a Napoli side led by Walter Mazzarri. Essien expressed his view on Mazzarri's misfortune at Inter.
I think when he was in Napoli, the players were different, so he kind of built a team with the players he got, because they were very, like Cavani, Lavezzi, and they are very fast and quick players, so he kind of built a team around them. But in Inter, I think they've got like a lot of, technical players, a lot of players who like to receive the ball. And
who has to resolve the problem now is Mancini, replaced after his first spell on the Inter hot seat by Jose Mourinho, the same coach that took Essien to London. And a chance to get one over his former manager cannot be missed.
I would love to win the derby, because I love to win, I'm a winner, and I would love to win every game. And when I win, I will text him, I won against your ex-team.
The Ghana midfielder arrived in January, in time to be part of the squad that faced the challenge of ending almost 3 seasons of inter-derby dominance.
To the stadium, that's when I realized how important the game is. The players, they were preparing for the game, and then we went to the pitch, we saw the fans and everything that made it more exciting, It was a really good atmosphere.
And the Rossoneri triumphed thanks to the only goal of the game from Nigel de Jong, one of the players keeping Essien out of the starting lineup.
So it's always good to have players who are competing for position. It makes you a better player. In the system we're playing, I can play everywhere. Either holding one of the 2 attacking midfielders, but we're all working hard for the team and for the club to be where it's supposed to be.
However, with de Jong currently taking turns on the treatment table with defenders Alex and Ignazio Abate and fellow midfielder Suri Montari, Pippo Inzaghi will wait until the final minute before naming his starting 11. But there is one man he can turn to.
I'm always ready. I'm always ready to play. Just to keep myself fit and be ready if the mister needs me.